Hey everybody, Chris Bassett here, and I'll be showing you a super simple trick using just some nuts and bolts on how to push that stubborn bearing out. Let's get into it. I've been beating on this bearing with a hammer and it's not moving, so let's use some bolts to press the bearing out. So first, let's knock out the studs. You won't need to knock out all 5, probably just 2 or maybe 4, but you want to find a surface for a bolt to press against. So you're going to need a straight shot from the bolt to the back area. So on my left and right side, I'm going to knock both of those out and then grab yourself some bolts. I went down to the hardware store, found a couple of bolts. You want to grab like 2 to 4 bolts, at least grade 8 or harder, and like 4 to 6 inches long. You're going to need the matching nuts and washers, and make sure that the thread type matches up for the bolt and the nut. So let's remove the lug studs. The lug stud on the right I could just knock out with a hammer and there was enough space to pull it out. This one, there's not enough of a gap in between the bearing and the dust guard, so we're going to cut it in half. That way I can punch that out also. The idea is to apply equal pressure to the bearing so it comes out straight and not at an angle, so I'm using both sides. So I'll do a couple turns on the left side, a couple turns on the right side, and wiggle it out evenly. So go ahead and place the longer bolts through the empty stud holes from the front so the bolt heads are on the hub side and the threaded end pokes through the back towards the knuckle. Then put your nut and your washer on the back side. The idea is as you tighten the nuts, the bolt heads push against the hub flange while the nut presses against the knuckle, forcing the hub and bearing assembly outward. It's a mini press that uses leverage. I'd recommend turning the left side a quarter turn, then tapping the hub with a hammer, turn the right side a quarter turn, tap it with a hammer. Alternate that pattern back and forth until it wiggles out. So once again, bolt through the hole, nut and washer on the back. Hand tighten it till it's snug, then use a wrench to hold the nut in place while you turn the bolt. I also did spray the hub down with penetrating oil, PB Blaster, let it sit overnight to kind of help. You could also use gentle heat from a torch, just avoid the rubber boots and seals, and then tap around the edge with a hammer to break the rust. But there we go, the bearing is out. The bolt method is what worked for me. Hey, check out another video over here. I've got some Amazon links down in the description. If you want to help support, use those links. I'd really appreciate it. Any other questions or comments, put those below. Thanks.